kitty cats. Two of them. Well, actually, this one was literally just on it, but you just fell off, you little stinker. Like, you fell off. Like, you fell off. Could you stay on there for a bit longer than I could got the picture? Alright, let me get back. You back on there with the little buds. Okay, and now Mango's off. Good girl. But that's not all the cats I have to show you. Well, there's two other cats. Mom and Dad of those cats. Well, actually, there's another cat. I don't know where they are. Probably under the house. But I really don't want to slip. So I'm gonna be careful. Ew. Pretty sure. I think it rained last night. Yeah, it most definitely rained last night. Hey guys. Look at him. Leaf. Also, there is also another cat, probably Smokey, and another black and white cat, either Oreo or the other one. I don't know what the other one's name is. Probably like somewhere in the forest, maybe like over there, under that part of the house, or under that part of the house. Which they usually go under there for like shelter if it's too cold, or if it just rained. I'm pretty sure so. And on rare occasions, they're like in there. My papa, he's in the shop right now. He's looking for a piece that matches that bolt that he had. You don't know what bolt he had? It's because I didn't record it. You think about that, Flash? Miss K! Escape. Back up. Ooh, I faulted. Oh, this one's very... What? Okay, I'm just gonna go back up to that porch. And yeah. I don't think my sister is gonna be driving this car that much anytime soon. I don't think she will at all. But the engine's busted. Oh, I don't see the cats. I'm like, the cat could be back here. Definitely could.
Kids 104, you can win $1,000 in inflation buster cash. First chance of the day happens tomorrow at 9 a.m. Presented by Creative Car Audio on Kids 104.
So I'm just gonna be on my way. Hey, kitty, Mango. What? Yeah, these cats don't have full trust with me yet. Like, what the heck? Like, come on. Trust me. These cats also don't too much. I think she has the most trust with me. She's a nice one. And her, I don't know. Mango, he just runs away from me. Watch. He's just gonna run away. Yeah, he just runs away. And that Calico would too, but if she wasn't laying down, she'd just be running. So, her, yeah, she runs away too, but if, she's just laying down, mostly if they're just laying down, they won't run. Besides Mango. You can see the little, like, oh, there he is. Hello there! He's back. So anyways, that's it. That's the cats. That's that. Yeah.